So, hi students, still we discuss the atomic structure. So, in that again in offline manner we are discussing. So, first isotopes. Isotopes. Isotopes mean the particles which have same mass number, same mass number, different sorry, same atomic number, different mass number are called isotopes. So examples: proton and H11, H12, H13. So this is called protium or proton and deuterium, and it is tritium. So here if you see Z, atomic number equal to 1 for all cases, and atomic mass equal to here 1, here 2, here 3, and the number of protons equal to 1, and electrons equal to 1, and the neutrons, number of neutrons equal to A minus Z.
Connection sir.
So here number of neutrons equal to A minus Z value. So atomic mass A minus Z value. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So neutrons for this protium, that is only proton, that is hydrogen atom, 0, and for deuterium if you see that is 1, and tritium if you see that is 2. So here hydrogen is the only one of the element which have no neutrons among the periodic table. The element which does not have neutrons means that is only hydrogen. So in the case of isotopes, these are hydrogen isotopes. They are protium, deuterium and tritium. So they have same atomic number but different mass number. Now this isotopes have same chemical properties. Isotopes have same chemical properties, but have different physical properties. Because the chemical properties depends on number of electrons. Because the reason chemical properties depends on number of electrons. So for isotopes, number of electrons are same. So that's why isotopes have same chemical properties. And here physical properties depends on mass number. So isotopes have different mass number. So their physical properties like boiling points, melting points also changes. So this is about isotopes. And next example, isobars. So isobars second one isobars. So the atoms of different elements which have same mass number but have different atomic number. That means A value different but Z value is same. Atomic number means Z is same, for mass number is different. Some examples if you take, see carbon 12 14 isotope and nitrogen 7 14 isotope. So here A value A equal to 14, here also 14, but Z atomic number is 6 and 7. So they have same mass number but different atomic number. So they have different physical and chemical properties. They have different properties. So isobars have same mass number but different atomic number. Next isotones. Next example, you can take one more example for this. Here example 2. Here silicon, phosphorus and sulfur. Here 14, 15 and 16, 30 and 30. So they have same mass number also. So we have different atomic number and same mass number. Next, third one is isotones. Isotones mean isotones. Next isotones. So the species which have different mass number and different atomic number have different mass number and different atomic number, but they have same number of neutrons. That means A minus Z value is same. Some examples. Silicon, phosphorus, sulfur. So here 14, 15, 16, 32. Here A minus Z equal to is nothing but number of neutrons, equal to 32 minus 14, 16. So here 30, 31, 32. So 30 minus 14, 16, and 31 minus 15, 16, 32 minus 16, 16. So the species which have same A minus Z value mean number of neutrons are same, but they have different mass number and different atomic number. So these isotones have different physical and chemical properties. They have different physical and chemical properties. Now, here these are about isotones, isotopes, and next to Moseley experiment. Moseley experiment. So this Moseley experiment is for determination of number of positive charges. Number of positive charges